Hi everyone and welcome to Astro Adventures. In today's video, we're going to explore what would happen if the moon crashed into the Earth. The moon is a crucial part of our planet, regulating tides and providing natural light at night. But what would happen if it suddenly changed its orbit and crashed into the Earth? Let's find out. First, let's look at how exactly the moon orbits around the Earth. The moon follows an elliptical path around the Earth, taking about 27 days to make one complete orbit. This means that it is always a certain distance from us. On average, it is about 238,855 miles away from us. Now let's imagine that something happens and the moon moves out of its orbit and starts heading towards us at an alarming speed. What would happen then? Well, for starters, the gravitational pull between the two bodies would increase significantly as they approached each other, and this would cause a lot of chaos on both planets. Earthquakes, tsunamis, volcanoes, these are all possible consequences of such an event. In addition to this, there would be a lot of debris sent into space as a result of the collision, which could potentially cause more destruction in our solar system. But it doesn't just end there. Once both objects crash into each other, they would form one single body, a new planet. This new planet would have its own unique gravitational pull, which could potentially affect other celestial bodies in our solar system. So there you have it. What would happen if the moon crashed into the Earth? While this scenario is unlikely to ever occur in reality, it does serve as an interesting thought experiment which can help us better understand how our universe works. So until next time, happy exploring.